Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change the language in Windows 11, not just for the system display, but also for apps, websites, your keyboard, and more. It's a simple process, but there are a few important steps you shouldn't miss, so make sure to follow along until the end. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom. You can also press the Windows key on your keyboard to open it. Now, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a little gear. Inside the Settings window, look at the sidebar on the left and click on Time and Language. Then from the options on the right, click on Language and Region. All right, now you're in the main language settings. Under Preferred Languages, you will see a list of the languages currently available on your computer. If the language you want is already here, great, you can set it as default. But if you don't see it, let's add it. Click the button that says Add a Language. A new window will pop up with a list of all the available languages. You can either scroll through the list or start typing the language name in the search bar. For example, if you want Spanish, just type Spanish and select the version you want, like Spain or Mexico. After choosing your language, click Next. Now, Windows will show a list of options. You can choose to install the language pack, and you will also see a checkbox that says Set as my Windows display language. If you want to change everything to that language, make sure it's checked. Then click Install. Windows will now begin downloading and installing the language pack. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, you might see a message that says to apply the new display language, you need to sign out. Click Sign Out Now, then log back in again. Or if you prefer, you can simply restart your computer. After you sign back in, your Windows interface will now appear in the new language. That means all the menus, system messages, and even the settings menu itself will use the new language. Now let's take it a step further. If you want to change the keyboard input to match the new language, go back to Language and Region. Next to the language you added, click the three vertical dots, then click Language Options. Here you will see the Keyboard section. Click Add a Keyboard and choose the one that matches your language. You can keep both your old keyboard and the new one and switch between them using the shortcut Windows plus spacebar. You can also remove a keyboard layout by clicking the three dots next to it and selecting Remove. This is useful if you don't want to accidentally switch to a layout you're not used to. Another tip, if you want websites and apps to open in a specific language, scroll down in the Language and Region settings to the section called Regional Format. Click on the drop-down and select the region that matches your preferred language. This helps with data formats, calendars, and some app settings too. If you want to remove a language from your system, go back to the Preferred Languages section, click the three dots next to the language, and choose Remove. Just make sure it's not the one you're currently using as the display language. Windows won't let you remove the active one. All right, let's quickly recap. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Language and Region, add your new language, install the language pack, set it as your display language, and restart your system. Don't forget to adjust the keyboard input and regional format if you need to. And that's it. You have now successfully changed your language settings in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Also, if you have any questions or if something didn't work the way you expected, feel free to leave a comment below. I will be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.